Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop up a line and comment. I would be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And please be a witness for that because I made over 250 videos so far on Shopify customization. They were mostly requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate, man. If you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I would be happy to provide you information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now is a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now I'll be sharing complete sections and widgets, highly customizable, to make a Shopify store very unique and professional, without having to rely on those expensive teams or paying those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money, and it's not a very good idea for long-term projects. But I give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, let you decide. Now respect your decision. But for now, let me fulfill again another request on Horizon Theme, which is how to add the shine effects to buttons on the product page on your Shopify store for Horizon Theme. Because I already made this video for Down Theme and the others, but lately they released the new theme and many people are requesting it. Hey, how can you do this on Horizon Theme? And that's exactly what I want to do in this video, and we will use our own custom code as always, and it's free. So I would appreciate if you hit that like button and leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it, and it will motivate me to show you more guys and share more free things with you guys. And I also reply to each comment, so I would reply to you as well. And without any more talking, let's just get to it and show you how to add the shine effect to buttons on the product page on your Shopify store for Horizon Theme. As you can see, this is Down Theme, and I always start with completely new theme. In each video I add small customizations, but video like 70 or 60 the theme will be completely different. But now I think I reached that level halfway. Check out, for example, this all-in-one reviews that will show reviews from multiple sources and it's filterable, or this scrolling logos with the fade effect on the corners. As you can see, it looks very professional, or even better, check out this recent sales notification that will show you the recent sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code, and it's highly customizable. And all of this by using your own custom code. Or you want to see actually something that will save you more money, something that will make you more money, check this out. So this is the mouse cursor, right? I will act just like I want to close the page or leave, and this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind the user how many products he added to the cart and he didn't check out. And this is by the exit intent trigger, which is it detects the mouse cursor. Once it sees the user trying to close the page, then it will show up. And this is by using your own custom code and many more things I cannot even mention in one video. It will be too long. But for this video, as I said, we will add the shine effect to the buttons on the product page, which is the add to cart and buy it now button. So let's just close this one and check out the Horizon Theme. And here is, so let me check it out for example, the product page to show you how it looks like. Then we will add the shine effect and get back to it to see it in action. And here it is. As you can see, it has no shine effect at all. So we will add a very good looking shine effect that will be added to both add to cart and buy it now by using your own custom code as always. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So the first thing you're going to do is get back to Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click on themes, then click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. Then it will open up the code editor for your Shopify theme, which is Horizon in this case. And in here, we need to find the specific block in here. Instead of looking at the folders like this and files, simply use the search bar at the top left corner, then type in buy-buttons. Just like you see on the screen, buy-buttons, and you will see this file, buy-buttons.liquid in blocks folder. Simply click on it. A lot of code will show up. No worries, click on the code just like you want to write something, and don't. Simply use the keyboard. If you are using Windows, click on Control F. I'm on Mac, I'm going to click on Command F, and it will show me this prompt right here at the bottom of the page. And this one will help us find a particular section in the code. And simply type in end style, just like you see, and hit enter. And here it is. It will show up end style sheet between this percentage sign and the closing brackets, or brackets, sorry. So in here, before it, we need to create some space. As you can see, there is no space in here. Simply click front of the last thing before it and above it, then hit enter on your keyboard Here we go. We have a completely new space to paste in our code. And where are you going to get that code? You need to hire a developer, pay him with 24 hours. I'm just joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website. Simply click on it and it will take you to this website right here, which is completely free, as I said. Scroll down a little bit and you will see this code. And simply use the icon right here to copy the whole code. Then get back in here and simply paste it in the space that we did create, which is above style sheet, and make sure and style sheet, and make sure it's above it and before it. Now simply paste in the code in here, but hold on, we didn't finish yet. We need to add one more thing. So we're gonna use this one to find another section of the code, or just get back to my website right here and scroll down a little bit and you will see this part right here, and we need to find this section right here, this one in green. I did highlight everything in green so you can see. Simply copy the one in green between the quotes, get back in here and simply paste it in the prompt that will help us find it. Then hit enter and it will be highlighted, as you can see on the code. So now pay close attention please. So as you can see, there is this class name that we did find, which is this one right here. Let me highlight it, this one, as you can see, and by the end of it there is this block ID, 2 closing brackets, and there is this quote, as you can see, quote sign. So between the last closing bracket and the quote sign, create a space. So simply click between them, between the closing bracket, the last one, and the space, the quote sign, then hit space on your keyboard many times and you will create a space. That's very clear, right? So make sure to create this space right here between the quote sign and the last closing bracket. Then get back to my website and simply select this one right here or this one. Let's just select it from here and make sure you do not select the quotes, just the green text, just the green text. Copy it, copy the green text, this one, then get back in here and paste it in the space that we did create in here in the middle, as you can see. Simply paste it in here. That was very simple. Let's just remove the space, the last one. Now it will look like this, as you can see. And I added an example here so you can see. This is how it should look like. That's very simple, right? All my tutorials are very simplified, so you can do this even if like 5 years old. Now let's just get back in here and click on save button. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now we'll get back in here, reload the page and see what that will do. So let's just reload the page. Okay, now if I hover over it, check it out. If I hover over the button, it shows a shine effect, as you can see. And you can adjust this shine effect on the CSS code if you want to. And if you need help with that, just drop me a comment. I will be happy to help you out. But for now, that's how you add the shine effect on the buttons on your product page for Horizon Theme. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.